let's make some potato salad.
Always wash your hands with soap and water before cooking. Make sure you have an apron to protect yourself and clothing. Gather your vegetables in a colander to wash them before chopping. Try to get off all visible dirt and chemicals. No need to use soap. Then you can start chopping. Start with the potatoes. Cut the potato in half, then half again. We will want bite-sized chunks, so slice each quarter a few times and put aside in a bowl. Next, with the celery, keeping your fingers tucked in, rock the knife back and forth. Starting on the onion, chop in half. Chop off one of the root ends. Peel off the top layer or two of the skin. Then slice the onion lengthwise. Rotate the onion and dice into bite-sized chunks. Then, holding down the tip of the knife with the palm of your hand, hold the handle and rock back and forth over the onion to dice even smaller. Put in a bowl and set aside. Take your potatoes and put them into a medium-sized pot. Then fill the pot with water. Turn the stove to medium and cover until boiling for about 10 to 12 minutes.
Time to make the dressing. First, take out 1/4 of a cup of low-fat or fat-free mayonnaise. Scoop the measuring cup into a mayo jar and scrape it into a medium-sized mixing bowl. Now add a 1/4 cup of plain Greek yogurt to your dressing mixture. This will make your dressing creamy and savory and will cut down on how much mayo you use in your dressing. Dijon mustard is the next ingredient to your dressing. Use just 1 tablespoon of prepared mustard, which is about 1 regular spoon-sized scoop. Add the sugar, as it gives a little sweetness and dispels any bitterness from the other ingredient. Scoop about 2 tablespoons into your mixture, the equivalent of 2 scoops. Finally, add a little salt and pepper. Mix the ingredients and taste until you're satisfied. You will add about 1/2 of a tablespoon of salt and pepper to your dressing. Whisk together in your mixing bowl until the dressing looks creamy and has the consistency of a milky yogurt.
Let's go back to the stove. Once the potatoes have boiled for 10 minutes, lift the lid with an oven mitt to check them. Use a fork to check if they are done. The potatoes should be soft and brittle when they are finished boiling. With an oven mitt, carefully carry the pot of hot water and drain the potatoes into the colander. Have somebody help you if you have never drained hot water before. Shake out the extra water and let the potatoes cool. Put the cooked potatoes into a large mixing bowl. Start by splashing a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar over your potatoes to add a sour taste. Next, add our chopped onions, celery, parsley, and dressing to the mixing bowl, and with a large spoon mix it all together.